Beautyvicers, Noelle from Beautyvice, and today I'm going to show you guys a new mask that I was conned into purchasing yesterday when I went to Nordstrom's. This is the Sisley Exfoliating Enzyme Mask, and there's like this whole thing going on. Again, I'm not a beauty expert, I'm not a skin expert, I'm just, a self-proclaimed skincare, hair care, lover that just tries a lot of stuff, and I know what works well on my skin. I know the products that I like, that I don't like, and so on. So lately I've been seeing like all over the internet, some people who are saying that using the physical exfoliators, such as like the one that I bought from Skin by Kim, actually can cause these micro lesions and like scars to your skin, and that's really bad, and that you should try to use a gentler exfoliator, such as the one that I still have to do a review on this one, the Dermalogica Multifoliant, where it uses different particles to exfoliate as opposed to like the harsh physical particles of the other ones. So this is the Sisley Exfoliating Enzyme Mask, and I have seen a lot of really good reviews on this. I was at Nordstrom's yesterday, and the Sisley guy chased me down to show me on my hand, and of course I ended up buying it. So I want to show you guys how this works. Now, this is one of those that you're going to have to mix. So you're going to open it up, and I have these bowls already, and you don't need a lot, he said. So I'm going to put in, just, that much, not a lot, maybe a little bit more. This is a minute that you leave it on, and then you mix it with water. I'm going to go slowly. Last time that I mixed a mask, you guys saw it was like super duper watery. This is supposed to be like a foam milkish, so like that, you see? So you mix it, then onto clean skin, you go ahead and apply. I will tell you something, it does smell really good. I think that's why I ended up buying it, because I am a sucker for smells. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but if something smells like a spa or just amazing, I just love it. I'm really big into smells. I've always said if I had my own skincare line, it would just be like, I would really focus on the smell apart from obviously the active ingredients and the things that are gonna work on your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and you apply it. And the smell, again, it's just so relaxing. It's like I don't know how to say it. It's like when you go to a hotel and you go to their spa. You walk into these spas and they just have like the smell that they must infuse into the air that you're like, wow. And that's kind of the smell of this mask. I'm just making sure that I'm gonna use it all because it is pricey. It's $135. It is not a cheap mask. So definitely it's something you invest in. However, you use very little, so hopefully it will be something that you can use quite often. You use it once to twice a week, and it's supposed to help with radiance and really like exfoliating your skin in a gentle manner so that you can absorb your products better and you can have like glowy, pretty, youthful skin. So that's it. I used it all, and now I'm going to wait a minute while it does its work. Let me see, maybe I can tell you guys some of the other, the one thing I'll say about Sisley, they give you like this little pamphlet thing, and it's in like 30 different languages, but it doesn't really give you like, I don't know. I wish that some of these, especially these higher cost brands, gave you a little bit more like clearer information as to what's in it and what makes it work and so on. So, but that's this. So we're gonna wait a minute. We have another 30 seconds to go. You can even leave it on like a little bit more than a minute. to really let it work. So you're just kind of leaving it there to work. And hopefully I'll have like glowy skin. I have to apologize. I've been away for a while from doing videos. I just got surgery last week, and the surgery really took a toll on me. I underestimated just how much the surgery was going to be. I was like, ouch. So I'm still kind of like recuperating from it. This is like the first week that I've been able to actually move around comfortably. So we will see. So we're almost there, almost at a minute. I know a minute goes by really slow when you're waiting for it to pass. But I'm gonna get my Muslim cloth ready for when my minute is up. I love using the Muslim cloths to take off these masks and just to use on my face. It's all, again, it's very soft. I've been reading like a lot about how, you know, anything abrasive, it's really not good for your skin, that it does cause little micro lesions and so on. So I'm trying to be more proactive in that sense, especially once you get, you know, in your 40s like I am. You really want to like be extra careful because your skin does tend to lose some of its elasticity. It tends to lose a lot of the components that, you know, when you're younger, you just kind of take for granted. As you get older, that gets diminished no matter what you do. So you really have to become a little bit more gentler, I feel, with your face. Okay, so now we're a minute in. I'm going to go ahead and get lukewarm water and my Muslim cloth. And I'm going to go ahead and just wipe it away. Now this, you know, you're not going to feel any fizzing or anything on this one. You know, some of the tricks that the other masks have that you kind of feel like, oh, that's working. But I will tell you something, it smells so good. And it does leave your skin feeling really fresh. So that's it. See, went ahead, you take it off, and you are done. It's a very quick and easy little skin treatment that you could do if you have a minute of time to kind of just prep your face for makeup or just to look extra glowy. It does leave your skin feeling really fresh, and it does leave it feeling really clean. So I definitely like it and will be using it. Again, this is the Sisley Exfoliating Enzyme Mask for you guys. I will put the links, and I will go ahead and do the ingredient list on the details for those of you who want that, okay? Stay beautiful, stay happy, and stay safe. Thank you guys. Like the video, follow, and any comments are always appreciated. Bye.